We're back at the winter camp on January 2nd, 2021. It's hovering around 0 snow and rain. We just got in. Getting a fire going. Wood collection. The thick ones make the difference once we get her going.
Google Maps map of the traffic and how things are. A lot of orange and red lines on all the major highways and roads in and around the city. So you're not getting anywhere quickly today. Do drive cautiously. Any updates in traffic? Call 406 TRIP, 406 8747 with a few traffic lines. Q10 forecast, snowfall warning in effect, expecting 10 to 15 centimeters of snowfall today and about 10 millimeters of rainfall along the coast, a high of +2. Tonight, snow mixed with rain early this evening and ending after midnight, low of 0 for tonight. And tomorrow, partly cloudy day, a high of +2. It's -1 at the Q.
It's time to get cozy for the winter. There are so many wonderful ways to refresh and warm up your home with modern design from Attica Furnishings, Halifax's premier furniture showroom. Attica is celebrating 25 years of modern
So I brought my big 75-liter out.
Carried
a lot of stuff in. Tarps.
Let the Attica design team
rope.
help you to express your style
Ponchos.
and create a space
20-foot tarp.
of your own. Drop by the
More
Ruby
wood
Street showroom
that we got on the way in.
online at attica.ca. Attica, show your style.
And we
2
got a
for
radio.
6 is back at Arby's. Get 2 original or veggie burgers for just $6. Here only
And lunch, hamburgers,
2
wings.
for 6 at Arby's. Now that's
It's getting set up here in the rain. Snow mix.
COVID-19 restrictions. Deep Down Cleaning Services wants you to know that we have a plan to help you keep your customers and staff safe. Locally owned and operated, Deep Down Cleaning Services Limited offers comprehensive.
It's getting going here. Socked in pretty good. We're back.